When does the court make the decision that the marital home should be sold? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates. I'm the founder and director, and our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in the state of Michigan. And today, we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. When would a judge decide that the house has to be sold? It's a great question. Because sometimes, it doesn't have to be sold. Sometimes the court will make a decision where husband stays in the house, they work out a deal, money's paid. However, sometimes, likewise, you got to sell the house. Why? Nobody can afford to buy the other out. There's equity that's trapped in the house. You're not going to liberate it unless the house is sold. The house is, let's say, worth $100,000 and there's $75,000 that's paid off. So there's only $25,000 owed to the bank. That means somebody's keeping it and they're going to get $75,000 equity. If they're getting $75,000, what does that mean? They owe the other person $37,500. Maybe they don't have the money to pay the other person $37,500. The court is not going to wait and make them wait for you to scrape it together. The court's going to say, look, if you can pay them off, great. If not, I'm ordering the house sold. That's a perfect circumstances where the court may order sold, where one spouse simply cannot afford to buy out the other person. The equity in the home very much impacts property division. So the court has a duty to make sure that things can appropriately be divided. It's not fair for the court to say, well, your kids are young, you stay in the house, we'll sell it when you're 18. You know why? Because all that equity is stuck in the house. You're going to wait till the child turns 18? Maybe the child's 2. You're going to wait 16 years? How's the other person supposed to move on with their life? They need their share of that equity to buy a home for themselves. So the judge may order the sale of the house if the judge feels that there's no other way to do it to provide the appropriate marital property to both sides in a fair and equitable manner. If you have any questions about your case, of course, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248